Hello, beloved friends. This Scam Doctor class is running here. This episode is 40th one and continuation of these basics of electronics. Now we have to learn about the color code of the resistors. These resistors, as I told you, having a value. Its unit is ohms. In the previous session, I told you about some tools. If you are not arranged yet, you please arrange that multi-tester and soldering iron, some screwdriver, a basic needed tools only to start our practical work. This session is explaining about the color code of the resistors, and moreover, this electronics beginning class is a hobby. You consider as hobby because you can find very interesting things to assemble, make, and after all, it's working and everything. You like it. So please try to arrange some tools, and as I told you, from the neighborhood or somewhere else, you consult your friends or anyone, you will get some scrap items like abundant any items of electronics. So open it, dismantle, and take out the spare parts, and I will show you some projects, a simple circuit making, and you can follow that like I show in this class. Color code is representing these ohms. The color code means every color have a value, and this value is calculated, and the value will determine. This way, if you see a resistor with these colors, each and every color having a number, like black is for 0, brown 1, so on, that I will draw on the board, then you can understand this. First of all, this black is black, BLK. Black is 0, and brown, brown is 1, and red is 2, and orange is standing for 3, and yellow for 4, and green is 5, and blue is for 6. Then comes violet. Violet is for 7. Another G means gray. Gray is for 8. And last white is coming for 9. The color code comes this way: from black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white. This one instructor told me there is an easy way to remember this. That is nothing but the word BBROY. BBROY. Great Britain. Very good wife. This way one can easily remember this color code. So the color code is normally the resistance, as you see this way. The resistance is something like this, to lead, and an oval shape like this. From here, left to right, 1, 2, 3, This way 3 color code will come on a resistor, and here one color will come. That is for tolerance. Tolerance means this resistor will tolerate that much golden or silver band is here. If it is golden 5% tolerance will get on one resistor. It means if it is a 100 ohm resistor, this resistor can work on 105 or below 95 ohms like this. If this is 100 ohms resistor, think about it. Assume this is first is brown, BRN, brown, and the second one is black. Third one is more brown. Like this coming the color code means first this color is brown means 1, that is 1, and the next one, this is black, is 0, and this brown is 1, another 1. 1 means this third always how many number is coming here, that much 0 is added. That means here brown we give, so it is only 1 0. If it is red, then it will be 2 zeros. The value is, now this is the 100 ohms resistor, that is why brown, black, brown. And if it is it is more than 100 ohms value, it may be red color. If it is red color, 2 0 should be added on this. So this will come 1000, it means 1K, 1 kilo ohms. 1 kilo ohms means 1000 ohms. As you know, this kilo means 1000. Like that, another value is coming mega ohms. The value, if more it is going, the value is like that coming. Ohms, kilo ohms, mega ohms. This resistor is 1K. 1K means 1000 ohms. See, this is a resistor. This first band color is coming red, and this comes for brown, and third one comes for orange. Orange means orange is 3. So this orange point is 3 0 will come. Now we can calculate this. Red is for 2, and this brown is for 1. Brown is 1, and this orange will come. The number of orange is 3. That's why 3 zeros are there. Means 21K. 21,000 ohms is 21K resistor. This way the calculation is going. Hope that you are understanding